Sanibonani, ngiyathemba ukuthi niyaphila. So le video le kahle kahle it is the continuation from the video eku part 2. Okay, so because I noticed ukuthi khona something engingayi explainanga very well, so I thought ukuthi kuzoba ngumbono omuhle ukuthi ngizame ukuthi ngiyi explain kule video le. So what I did, I took the same picture ebekhona kule video edlule le. So if uqhamuka kule video ungayibukanga lama video okuqala, I will advise you ukuthi uqale ngawo so that uzo understand ukuthi kwenzakalani la. Okay, so without any waste of time asiqaleni. Okay, so mawukhumbula kahle, this is a structure of a galvanic cell, and what we are trying to achieve la kwi galvanic cell sizama ukukhanda ugesi using chemical reaction. Okay, and we said from the last video ukuthi this side elino zinc sulfate, we said this was zinc metal, and we said this is iron metal, and we know ukuthi in this solution we said this is beaker B and this is beaker A. So kwi solution ka beaker B we know ukuthi khona ion 2 plus, okay, bese kuba khona SO4 2 minus. Okay, and we know ukuthi on beaker A the solution has Zn 2 plus and SO4 2 minus. So ungaboni ngibhala only 2, there are so many Zn2 plus, there are millions and billions, so I really don't know, so it will depend ukuthi banga, but akekho yedwa njengoba ngiveza baningi. Okay, so even now beaker B there are so many Fe2 plus, so you need to keep that in mind. Okay, so we said this side is sitholile ukuthi it's an anode side, and the reaction, the half reaction eyenzeka kule anode le. Okay, so for beaker A we said Zn, okay, will lose electrons and become Zn2 plus. Okay, why about Zn2 plus? Because Zn is losing electrons. Lama electrons akazowaluza azoflowa through this wire. Okay, so my flow through this wire azoflowa up until afike kule side, okay, elino Fe, and we know ukuthi lel side leli li cathode. Okay, remember kwi cathode kwenzeka a gain of electrons. Okay, so meaning lana these ions, okay, will gain lama electrons la. Okay, so lama ions angobani ango Fe2 plus kuzokwenzakalani, bazogaina lama electrons awu2 so that they can form more of this metal ku Fe. Okay, so bezofoma layer metal ku Fe. Okay, so lana we are using this metal, and masebenzisa le metal ewuzinc le siyayisebenzisa siproduce ama electron noma silose ama electron awu2. The moment silose ama electron siproduce o Zn2 plus, and laba Zn2 plus bazoya bebaningi kwi solution because I reaction izolokhu iqhubeka nje. Uzinc ulose 2 electron abe u Zn2 plus, uphinde uzinc alose 2 electron abe u Zn2 plus. So the process iyaqhubeka njalo njalo. Okay, and the moment le metal le ewuzinc iluza 2 electron, into ozoyi-observe ngale metal, you'll notice izodleka. Okay, somehow izodleka, and that is what we say thina ukuthi kuzobe decrease the mass of the metal. Okay, so the more kuzama electrons ngala kule metal eku beaker B, we know ukuthi the electrons azothatha o Fe2 plus kwi solution so that bezofoma u Fe. Okay, so every electron, ama electrons awu2 afikayo athatha u Fe2 plus bese kufome ku Fe. So meaning the amount of Fe2 plus kule solution izoya incipha ngokuncipha. Okay, because remember phela siyabasebenzisa o Fe2 plus siba add nama electrons ukuze kufome ku Fe, meaning into ozoyinotice ngale metal ezobe ngala izoye ibankulu ibankulu because phela oFe2+ bagaina 2 electrons la asuka ku zinc bese beforma uFe, and Fe is this metal here. So the mass of this metal, okay, will increase. However, the mass of this one metal will decrease. So this is the physical observation ozoyi observer la, okay? So this is a physical change, okay? So now we know ukuthi on beaker B the amount of Fe2+ is gonna decrease. Mark decrease amount ka Fe2+ kuzosala phela oSO4 njengamanje, because oSO4 bona abayindawo kuleya case. And we know from beaker A ukuthi sizokhiqiza more of Zn2+, because the more siluza ama electron is the more sikhiqiza oZn2+. Kusho ukuthi kule solution ekubeaker B ekubeaker A, okay, kuzogcwala oZn2+, okay. Njengamanje mabe baningi kakhulu oZn2+ kubeaker A, bese kubeaker B kusale oSO4 2- kuphela, because phela oFe2+ bayancipha over time. Lento le izodala ukuthi singasakhoni ukuproduce ugesi, okay? So ukuze sikhona ukuqhubeka siproduce ugesi, we need to introduce what we call a salt bridge, okay? So must introduce a salt bridge. Remember, a salt bridge ileli tube leli ngathi liuyula, and leli tube leli lizobe linamanzi ngaphakathi kulo, okay? And lawo manzi azobe nosawoti, okay? However, lamanzi akuleli tube ezobe lilana, lamanzi azobe ngaphakathi lana akumele angene kulamanzi akwibeaker la, okay? So kuzomela siwavalele ngento, and siwavalela ngento uyabona lapha khona something engathi uwulu lapha, okay? So these are called cotton plugs, okay? So lezi lama plugs la avimba amanzi ukuthi angangeni kuma beakers, okay? Kodwa ayakwazi ukuvumela ama ions ukuthi angene, okay? So kwenzakalani ke kulamanzi alapha azobe nosawoti, and usawoti wethu can be anything like sodium chloride, okay? So any salt beside la esiwasebenzisile kuma beakers. So I will use example ngo sodium chloride. We know ukuthi sodium chloride mawufika emanzini uzobreakeka down aform ama ions, which is Na+ and Cl-. Kusho ukuthi la kuzobe kukhona ama ions o Na+ bese kuba khona o Cl-, kobe khona o Cl- no Na+, okay? So remember, ku beaker A there are lots of Zn2+, okay? Laba Zn2+ sizoba balancisa ngo Cl- from the salt bridge, okay? Laba SO4 2- abazosala bebaningi ku beaker B ngenxa yokuthi oFe2+ bayancipha, sizoba balancisa ngo Na2+, ayibo ngo Na+, okay? So that is the function of a salt bridge. Yenzani salt bridge? It neutralizes the excess ions. And mangithi siyawabalancisa mina lama electron kahle kahle siyawa neutralize ngamanye amazwi. So it neutralizes the excess ions. So okay, the second function, you can say it completes the circuit. So that is the second function. So it completes the circuit, okay? So masifuna a net equation tina, we know ukuthi so bhala ne equation ka beaker B la ngezansi, so kuzoba Fe2+, okay, plus 2 electrons, this yield to Fe, okay? So mayingena into eyicharge la phezulu uzobe kwi solid phase. Once waba ne charge, it's an AQ phase, okay? So lana kuzobe ku AQ, lana kuzobe kuyi solid, okay? So we know ukuthi la masifuna inet lama electrons awu2 azokhanselana bese sibhala lokho ka left kodwa, so kukhona uZn as a solid bese kuba khona uFe2 plus phezulu as an aqueous. Okay, so we know ukuthi ka right khona uZn2 plus as an aqueous bese kuba khona uFe2 plus, oh sorry, it's Fe by the way. Okay, so kuzoba khona uFe, okay, as a solid. So then from this we can also show lento esibiza nge what do we call cell notation. Okay, so masibhala a cell notation, we always start with a cathode then bese sigcina nge-anode. Okay, so our cell notation in this case, okay, cell notation. So i-cell notation yethu kule case le sizoqala nge-anode, siveze a salt bridge, okay, bese sigcina nge-cathode. Kanjani na? Okay, sizoza lana thina we know ukuthi kwi-anode kukhona i-reaction, i-half reaction ka-Zn. So siqala ngabani? You can see the reaction. Siqala ngo-Zn eyi-solid. Okay, nathi sobhala la uZn a solid bese lo Zn kwenzeke a phase change, akhiqize oZn2 plus. Kusho ukuthi lo slash lo ohamba wodwa kanje usitshela nge-phase change. Okay, so and we know ukuthi sekuzobe ku-AQ law. Okay, so and the concentration under lento le ama-standard condition akhona, we know ukuthi the standard conditions kuzomele kube ne-concentration elingana no 1 mole per decimeter cube and kuzomele i-temperature ibe at 25 degrees Celsius or 298 kelvins. Okay, so those are the standard conditions azobe ekhona la kwi-galvanic cell. Okay, so then ke ngoku there is a salt bridge, so masiveza laba double arrows la kuzobe kuyi-salt bridge. Okay, so after salt bridge sesizongena kwi-cathode ke manje. So kwi-cathode siqala ngo-Fe2 plus. So once kwaba u-Fe2 plus we know ukuthi this is an aqueous bese kwenzeka i-phase change bese kugcina u-Fe. So bonke laba baki-aqueous solution kuzomela uveze concentration yabo ukuthi 1 mole per decimeter cube because that is the standard. Okay, that is a standard concentration ezobe khona la kwi-electrochemistry. Okay, so even nala ku Zn i-concentration it's 1 mole per decimeter cube. Okay, so if bekuyi-gas bekuzomela uveze ukuthi okay kwi-gas there's a pressure, there's into ezikanjalo and the pressure is the standard pressure is 1 atm. Okay, so and we can also calculate the cell notation from this. Okay, so masifuna i-cell. Okay, i-cell note, we know the formula is E-cell is equal to E cathode minus E anode. Okay, so the value of the cathode, la we know cathode beku Fe and if value ka Fe, the potential value beku minus 0.44 volts. Kanti kwa Zn beku minus 0.76 volts. So i-cathode soyifaka nathi la minus 0.44 bese sithi minus into brackets minus 0.76. Okay, so la sokhipha u-positive 0.32 volts kule case le. Okay, so that is the E-cell and E-cell ihlezi positive. Okay, so ekunye nje kuzomela sinote la ukuthi ama-electrons siyabona ukuthi akhiqizwa yilo oyi-anode bese ereceiver yilo ozobe kwiside le-cathode. Kusho ukuthi the direction, okay, direction of electrons asuka from anode aya kwi-cathode. Okay, so that is all about this video. Thank you so much.